see how I am going to settle with my
Constance Obeti akagurita kairu kushango mu ndembo kabohe itendero town council bwanyuma abangira nakusinga cyapa omubanka kikamurema kwihayo rero ababanka bakakiguza Constance Obeti bitu entaros katandika bwanyuma government erukurabiro ministry ibyo bahangwa kushara mu kwenda ngube umbeke damu ahi Constance yatungira kumanyisibwa kuruga o ministry konka akanga.
So when I read the document, I took it to my lawyer. And when my lawyer studied it, even before I had taken it to my lawyer, I saw that they were asking me to give my land to the government. And it is a land which I acquired, having a freehold title, which I have acquired it for a purpose, to use it for my own developments. And I bought it with a vision and a plan to see how I am going to settle with my family and use it for how I would want to use it.
Ebirebi huire bakatahira ntokezo mu cyara kazogo bazitematema utiro n'amatungo nuko kwezi nusa police kiyaho embuzi nente ebisigiro howe arukugira ngo natekwa kubatwara omukoti.
I opened a reference yesterday the other day I opened a reference in police. I talked to my lawyer. I am going to go legal with the people of Shema. I am just going to go legal. Whoever went on ground, I'm going to go legal. My lawyer will know how to handle it. I am not going to lose like that because I did everything using my energy, using my strength. I did not steal the money. I put a lot of money in whatever I had put. They have put everything down. They are telling me to go back to Arua. They have intimidated me. I am just going to go legal. I have opened the reference. I am going to go legal.
Bwanyuma kushishe bintu bye aradisa muna polisi bizire kutereza nshonga nabwe abataka batama bunduzo ki ekintu kitabwire abebyo kweri.
To make order.
No. Bamwe yatakwenda kutisa
kankushare iwe kankushare tumuhumuze kuriya tuheze kutesa tumurekure.
Hati Obeti yahereze kwigura umushango ha polisi ya Shema bwanyuma kumusisire bintu kandi aine cyapa kitaka bitu arukure byo buhango mu district ya Shema nagira ngo ecyapa nibaza kucishazamu
pecho patro za kwata ministry tugireke tukite mu ministry gireke e counseling ekiyongero kugireke tushange ngo muri ugu yacu twajishujuma twashange guire twatera keje tu applying mu ministry gireke
I cannot stop the government to do any project for developing the people because I know it will also benefit me, but I want to be compensated. If they have earmarked my land, if they have got interested in my land, I want to be compensated.
Enshongeza hati zitwirwa mukoti bwanyuma bataka okutwara amateko mu ngaro batyo bakashisha bintu nyamwinje ebyo mu cyarogu gashaka Sheikh Abdulatif Omurishema
mwene rutekero temerwe bayi
Police na nembuzi byona na nembuzi mukozi weye